I'm not the best student in the world. In fact, I'm not the best student in my class. I'm one of the worst. It's not that I'm not smart or that I'm lazy. It's just that I prefer to spend my time sketching and painting rather than doing all that other stuff my teachers get me to do. And here we go again. My science homework is due today, and once more, it's nowhere near finished. So what excuse can I use? Last time, I said that my dog had eaten it, and I haven't even got a dog. I'll need to think of something else. Sorry, sir, I haven't got my homework, I say, a tinge of regret in my voice. Don't tell me your dog got to it again, Mr. Gregory responds, his eyebrows raised in skepticism. No, sir. What happened this time was...